This video is certainly not going to help me get a date or a mate, not that I'm particularly looking, but if you're disgusted by things that come out of the human body, this is probably not the video for you. I'll tell you that if you want to see the device in action, skip ahead to 6.28, and that's where I actually start showing the use. Pretty disgusting. This is from those few passes with the strong suction head. Are you looking for a device that will help clean your face, remove blackheads, clean your pores? I am. I had pretty bad skin as a teenager, very oily, a lot of acne breakout. Never really got any better as I got older. I do have a cleaning regimen and use a lot of facial mask and things like that, which does help. But I've always been curious about these machines. I saw one on Amazon for a reasonable price and thought, hey, why not? It was far cheaper than the price of a facial at a dermatologist or a skin specialist. So let's see what it's all about. Six-in-one Blackhead Remover BR510. They have a 410, but it does not have the LED panel. The main functions are to remove blackheads, reduce skin acne, reduce grease, minimize clogged pores, exfoliate dead skin, tighten up skin, lessen wrinkles, smooth fine lines. The box shows the different heads. Here's the manufacturer's information. And the other side tells you the purpose for each of the different heads. And here's some technical specs. It's quite attractive. It does come with a charger. It didn't say that in the description when I purchased this, but I watched another viewer's video and saw that it appeared to. We have a customer service card. We have instructions. And our mechanism. It also has some silicone rings and some little filters. This is the head that came on the device. This is the large circular hole head for strong suction to remove blackheads, grease, cosmetic residue. This is the small circular hole head for gentle suction. Can work on thin, tender, or sensitive skin. This is the microcrystalline head for dead skin exfoliation. Can brighten and tender your skin. This is the oval hole head to lessen wrinkles and smooth fine lines. This is the curved hole head for super strong suction with a special curved angle. This is a silicone head for gentle suction, suitable for using on sensitive skin. So I probably won't be using this one or this small circular hole head because my skin is not sensitive. They're supposed to just pop on, pop off. That easy. The instructions say to fully charge before using, so I'm going to use the cord that came with it. However, it did not come with a charging plug, so I'm going to use one that I have from my phone and let it charge. The LED indicator came on. It shows me that it is charging. It only took it about an hour and a half to charge up. And it doesn't tell you for sure which the power levels are, but I'll show you that I think 1 is lowest, 2 is higher, 3 is higher, 4 is higher still, and 5 is the highest. I couldn't find where it clearly told you what the strength levels were, but on tip 5 it says for sensitive skin start with a strength level 1. So I'm assuming that 1 is low and 5 is high. Some tips: it just tells you to not scrub your face before you use this, just to clean it normally. Don't put the product in water because it is not waterproof. It recommends that you put use a hot steamer or hot towel or blackhead remover product on your skin 10 to 15 minutes to completely open the pores. And it tells you that you may have to use a blackhead remover tool for really stuck in blackheads there. Don't keep it on any one section for more than 2 seconds. It says for dry skin to use it once a week. If you have oily skin, you can use it twice a week. Don't use it over 5 minutes at any time. Keep it moving. It gives you the directions twice in here, telling you to choose the suction head according to your needs. Make sure that you don't stay on the same spot for more than 2 seconds, and either use a circular motion or a linear motion. And then to close up your pores at the end. So these little replacement parts are the little rings that help to keep the heads on there, and I just popped this out to check it. And those are the little filters down in there, and I'm thinking you'll probably have to remove those with a pair of tweezers. To remove a head, turn the head in a counterclockwise direction. To install a head, put it on in a clockwise direction. So if I'm putting this one on, I'm going to turn it this way. I want to take it off, turn it that way. As you can see from this extreme close-up, my skin is very, very bad. I bought this and started using it in January, and my skin has improved. You'll see that later on in the video. Got nothing on level 2. I purchased mine on Amazon for under $20. I read a review there that said that there was no suction, and I found out that you have to make sure that the blue heads are screwed on really tight. So if you're using this and you don't get any suction off of it, then try to twist the head, make it a little bit tighter, and it should improve the suction. Hardly anything on level 5, so I'm going to switch heads. I can feel that. That's working. Pretty disgusting. This is from those few passes with the strong suction head, which worked better for me than the slanted one. To be honest, I really didn't think this was going to have strong enough suction, but I couldn't even do my whole face on level 1. And as clean as I keep my face, I still got that much off with just a couple of minutes of use. So it's cleaning my nose, which is the main area that I was interested in. I'm going to wash mine, let it dry before I use it again. This time I took a shower, and while the room was still kind of hot and steamy, decided to do a pass on my nose and some of my cheeks and my chin. It worked much better on my chin after getting out of the shower than it did just washing my face and putting a warm washcloth on it. But look how red it is. I recommend doing this at night, not in the morning or right before you're going to go out somewhere, because I think it's going to take a little while for this redness to go away. When I got out, after I used the device, I put some serum on my face, and it didn't burn at all. It actually feels quite nice. So this is after using the extractor for 2 months, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but my skin looks so much better to me. I still have huge pores. I know that I have huge pores. I don't need anybody to tell me I have huge pores. I've lived with them since I was a teenager, but this makes me feel better about getting some of that excess out of my nose and my chin. Just like the directions say, I found that I do get my best results after a hot shower or bath. I use the device, clean the device. Then afterwards I apply a serum on my face, or some type of toner, or some medicine like Differin. It might sting just a little bit, but I think doing that immediately after giving my nose the treatment, that it helps to improve the surface of my skin. I have fooled around with some of the other heads, but I'm really kind of stuck on this one to work on what I need to do. The dermabrasion didn't really do anything for me, and as you saw, the large head didn't do anything for me either. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. So gross. So gross, so nasty, yet so satisfying. Thanks for watching my video about the Blackhead Remover Pore Cleanser Machine. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if appropriate. Do so like in a nice way. If you'll check in the text below and also in the comments, I'll have a link for this machine or one similar, and it does help me out if you use those little clicks, those little links. And until next time, let's just help each other stay clean and as good looking as we can. Bye. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thank you so much. Bye.